G'day guys, look who's back. It's Park Avenue cabinets. You know, you should try and get them if you can afford it. You know, they're not that expensive anyway. But yeah, they're in there. We've got stuff around, putting it all together. So yeah, rocked in this morning. So I got this is the pantry cupboard. I think this one's for the microwave coffee machine. Yeah. Millimetre perfect all the time. So Pete, Electricians, come over. He's just checking out his handiwork. Look at these downlights, hey, on Brendo's wall. What do you reckon, Pete?
Yeah, come on, good,
I like it. I like it. Affinity's settling in. You know, so it's good. We've got lots of tradies around. We're not too lonely, but anyway, we'll see you. Yeah, check that out. And have you done the handle up? Have you seen that?
Handle up.
Yeah, you do the handle up. And you close it all the way.
Oh, nice.
I packed myself the first time. I thought the window's falling over. That's pretty. You can hear the noise too. You can really hear the noise when you shut it. And that's going to be the cupboard for marketing material and stuff, and the printer. So all good. Okay, progress is happening. We've got the kitchen cupboard in there already with the for the microwave and stuff. I've just put this aluminium right angle in too, and that's I've got this bench from Bunnings, it's like a wood top, all these little pieces, but then the edge of it is like they left a natural wood. So the boys are going to get the other cupboards because they didn't have enough room for the overheads to come on board today. So they're going to get that, and then he's going to put it on his saw and cut it all nice and square for us as well. So that'll be super sweet. So that's where we're up to. It's crank along nicely. So good. Yes, I'm just sitting at my desk, just finishing up for the night, for the afternoon I should say. The cabinet makers have come and gone. They haven't quite finished yet, but I'll show you what's been going down anyway. I'll just unplug it, the battery's nearly dead. So yeah, they put in this cabinet here, which will be all for our marketing stuff and things like that. Okay, and the cupboards are all sort of going in. So here's the bench for the coffee machine stuff. So I'll have my coffee beans up there and stuff, and just for cups and whatever in there. And that's the lighting kit or something. So you can see there's a little bit of lighting under there. And then yes, this is that bar I was talking about, the lunch bar sort of thing. So you see how it's got that sort of rough wood finish on it that they've left. And so just cut that down to size so you can have your lunch. I'm going to change this over to some USB ones. But as a kitchen, the ovens are all in. So just waiting on a few handles and stuff. The overheads just all black. They're a bit dusty still, but they're cool. No handles, so you can just grip it under there. Dishwasher's going in there, and then the fridge. So we're just about there. Looks good. So they'll come back tomorrow and try and sort that out. All right, guys. I'll catch you later, and have a good one. See ya.